F-15s, F-16s scramble. Unknown aircraft detected. East of Singapore. Clear to launch and intercept the unknown aircraft. Ladies and gentlemen, in peacetime or war, the RSAF is ready 24/7 to protect our skies from any intrusion. This is achieved through our multi-layered air defense network. The first layer is formed up by our sophisticated fighter jets, together with the Call 550 airborne early warning aircraft to detect low-level and long-range targets. The second layer of defense is covered by the capable medium-altitude IHawk air defense missile system. Our third layer of defense is made up of short-range air defense systems, also known as the SHORADs. This includes the IGLA, RBS-70 and 35mm guns. When there are possible air threats, our fighter jets are first to be activated to respond. This is what happens behind the scenes. The pilot and ground crew are exhibiting a swift response time that is required in countering air threats that may intrude our airspace. Pilots carry out their startup checks. At the same time, the ground crew will ensure that the aircraft is ready. As you can see, two F-15s to your left have two crew on board. The front seat is the pilot and the rear seat is the fighter weapons systems officer. They work hand in hand expeditiously to prepare the aircraft system for launch. Prior to taxi, the pilot and the leader will carry out systems and weapons checks to ensure the aircraft is fully operating. Final arming checks are carried out by the ground crew before the pilot moves out of the parking bay. As you can observe, teamwork is vital to launch an aircraft expeditiously. In the heart of our sophisticated aircraft and weapon systems are its people, working seamlessly as a team to ensure operational readiness and mission success. The two F-16s that you see on the right are single-seat, single-engine fighters. The F-15 engine thrust-to-weight ratio is greater than 1, which means the engine provides more than enough power to climb and accelerate vertically faster than most of today's fighters. This is significantly an important capability in achieving our quick response time. RSAF pilots are sent to many countries across the globe for their training. These winged warriors incorporate their gained technical knowledge into their daily training to stay at the very peak of quickness and combat readiness. RSAF pilots get themselves up to speed in quick time as an operational squadron pilot. Having completed his pre-flight checks and obtaining clearance from the tower, the F-15 as you see is now taxiing for takeoff. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready to experience the power of the F-15 twin engine in full afterburner. turn. Jets take to the skies. May I now draw your attention back to the screen?
Climb 4,000 feet. Snap heading 090. Unknown contact. Bullseye 095. 25 miles, 2,000 feet.
Singapore radar. Shikra, copy your instructions.
Aircraft bearing 095. 25 miles east of Sinjin. This is Singapore radar on guard. You are entering Singapore airspace. State your call sign and intentions. Halt. Clear search unknown. Bearing 095. 46 kilometers. Height 2,000 feet.
Our first layer of defense, as you know, is covered by the fighter jets that you just witnessed taking off. Complementing the fighters in air defense role is the Golf 550 airborne early warning aircraft, which provides low-level and long-range target detection.
Look to your left. Overseeing the second layer of defense is the upgraded IHawk missile systems operated by 163 Squadron. The IHawk is capable of launching 3 supersonic missiles simultaneously to engage multiple targets, capability, and an effective range of up to 40 kilometers.
This missile system is effective against jamming and deceptive countermeasures. With its enhanced survivability, it is difficult to be detected from the air and against enemy attacks.
The third layer of defense consists of weapon systems such as the RSAF 35mm anti-aircraft guns and the mechanized IGLA system.
Coming to show center is a pair of mechanized IGLA systems. The IGLA is a short-range air defense system that provides low-level air defense.
The IGLA is equipped with 4 heat-seeking missiles that can be fired 2 at a time. Specifically designed to engage low-flying threats, the high-speed missile enables target interceptions